Okay, so this is an outcome of one of our computer models where the dust self-consistently collects into this ring, and within this ring, a planet emerges, but upon growing to a sufficiently large mass, gets pulled in by the disk. And this leads the way to the second one forming, and so on and so forth, which leads to the emergence of large-scale uniformity among the planetary systems that was discovered by my colleague, Andrew Howard. Okay? So all of this is here to tell you that somehow the process that makes the moons of Jupiter and the process that makes typical planets that orbit other stars is the same process. But I believe I'm yet to answer the question of why is the Earth different? After all, the Earth's orbit, if you haven't noticed, lasts a full year. It doesn't last 3 days, right? So why is it that the Earth escaped this particular evolution sequence? And the answer is simply that within this sun's protoplanetary disk, right, the disk of hydrogen and helium that encircled the sun during its first 4 million years of lifetime, the ring of solid material from which the Earth emerged was low mass. Okay? It was so low mass that it took the Earth longer to form than the 4 million year lifetime of the hydrogen and helium disk. Instead, the Earth took hundreds of millions of years to form. Why? We think we understand the answer to this. And we think that the answer, the culprit, as to what makes the solar system special is actually Jupiter. Because Jupiter, upon forming, right, cleared out this giant gap in the solar system's disk and prevented the flow of solids from replenishing the Earth's local environment. So with this thought, I want you to think about the following, right? What this suggests is the fact that the presence of giant planets like Jupiter is kind of a prerequisite to the emergence of low-mass planets like the Earth. If Jupiter was not there, then our Earth would evolve to be a big multi-Earth mass body that would capture a huge hydrogen-helium atmosphere, and then we wouldn't be able to do astronomy, okay, because we wouldn't see the sky. Okay? Moreover, that none of the sunlight would penetrate down to the Earth, photosynthesis wouldn't work. Right? So perhaps the fact that we are having this conversation is something that we owe to the emergence of Jupiter, at least if this theory is correct, which I totally promise it's totally right. So with this thought, I actually want to hand this over to my friend and colleague Mike, who's going to dive even deeper and discuss further.